Wow! Ayan na! Wow! Grabe! Wow! Kuha! Ayan na! Rayo ipalang na leading! Wow! Ayan! Grabe! Wow! Kuha! Ayan na! So, intermediate class, final hit, intermediate production, final hit. So, dito pa rin tayo sa Botolan, Zambales. So, nandyan, it's Rayo Ipanag, San Mamaril, Jetrek Marquez, David Malgapo, Kiram Magbual. Sino ba dyan? It's parang nandyan, Jerome Pagdilaw.
Pawiwagay-way po ng yellow flag. It's clear na tayo.
So, second leg of Weltec.
Okay, thank you, Marshall.
Intermediate class, final hit. Ito, magandang magbakan to. Ayan, the green flag is up. Ayan. Ayan na, binitawan na. All shot by. Ayan. Wow, wow, wow. Jetrek Marquez. Ayan. On second, it's Kiram Magbual. Rayo Ipanag, Jerome Pagdilaw, David Malgapo, San Mamaril. Ayan.
Scheduled for 6 laps.
Wow!
And a battle for first.
So, Kiram Magbual on the lead. Nakuha niya si Jetrek Marquez. Third, it's Rayo Ipanag. Yan. Fourth, David Malgapo. Fifth, Jerome Pagdilaw and San Mamaril. Ayun, no? Oh. Yan, bakbaka na Jetrek Marquez versus Kiram Magbual. Ayan, nakuha na naman si Kiram Magbual. Jetrek Marquez na naman on the lead. Ayun, no? So, Rayo Ipanag on third and Dabo on fourth. Yan. Jetrek Marquez, Kiram Magbual, Rayo Ipanag on third, Dabo on fourth. Oh. Ayan. Bakbakan na ito na Max Intermediate Production Final. Dikit ang bakbakan, Kiram Magbual, Rayo and Jetrek Marquez. Yan. Yan, Dabo on fourth. Outside. Yan, bakbakan ito na Max, battle of first. Dikit na ang bakbakan nilang tatlo. Dikit na, dikit. Wow. Yan. Dikit na ang bakbakan. J-Trek Marquez versus Kiram Magbual versus Rayo. Ayun. Wow. Grabe ka dikit. Dikit na dikit ang bakbakan. Ayan. Kuha na naman si J-Trek Marquez. Kiram Magbual na naman. Kiram Magbual on first side. Tumba. Okay. Ayay, nadali. Nadamay pa si Rayo. Sumimplang si Marquez. Ayan, Dabo versus Rayo. Inside Rayo, outside Dabo. Ayan. Wow. Ayan. So, change leading. It's Kiram Magbual on the lead. Followed by David Malgapo. Ayan. Ayan. Rayo Ipanag versus Dabo. Ayan.
Missing on the game.
So, parang 6 laps. Ito guys, 6 laps. Ayan. Si Trek Marquez. Sumit lang. Rayo Ipanag versus David Malgapo. Ayun, no? Sayang, sumabit si Rayo kay J-Trek Marquez. Ayan. Ayan. Wow. Kiram Magbual. Outside. Ayan. Wow! Kuha si Malgapo ni Rayo. Ayan. Wow! Sika na Rayo Ipanag. Ayan. Change second position. Ayan, Rayo na second. Kiram Magbual third. David Malgapo. Ayan, oh. This is intermediate production final. Ayan. Sika na Rayo Ipanag. Ayun, no? Go, go, go! Yan, kailangan makuha ni Rayo si Kiram para siya mag-overall champion. Ayan, dikit ang bakbakan. Kiram Magbual versus Rayo. Andyan lang sa likuran. Dabo. Ayun. Grabe kadikit ang bakbakan. Ayun. Wow. Ayan na. Wow. Grabe, wow! Kuha! Ayan na, Rayo Ipanag na leading! Wow! Ayan! Grabe, ang ganda, oy! Ayay! Ayan, napalong ka Dabo! Ayan, Rayo Ipanag! Leading all the way! Ayan! So, second, it's Kiram Magbual! Ayan. Ayan. So Rayo Ipanag from Malaybalay City, Bukidnon leading the race here at Botolan, Zambales. Ayun, no? Ayan. So kung ma-maintain niya ito tapos maging second si Kiram, si Rayo ang magiging champion dito. Wow! Go, go, go! Ayan. Wow. Ayun, no? So, waiting for white flag, Rayo Ipanag. Waiting for white flag, Rayo Ipanag. Ayan, white flag, white flag. White flag. Last lap. Ito, no? Last lap, last lap, last lap. Ayan. Last lap, last lap. Overlap. Wow. Last lap. Orayo Ipana, ganyan kila magwal. And then Dabo. Ayun. Ang gandang bakbakan, guys. Ayun, no. Rayo Ipanag from Team Beam 111 and Technoise Racing. Nagpakilala dito sa Botolan, Zambales. Ang batang 14 years old. Ayun, no. Batang fresh na fresh. Rayo Ipanag. Followed by Kiram Magwal. I think it's from Abra. And then David Malgapo. Ayan. Relax na relax. Oy, short. Eh, ang daming fans. Rayo Ipanag. Ayan. So, kung magiging second lang dito pa rin si Kiram, magiging champion si Rayo dito. Ayun, no. Waiting for checkered flag. Rayo Ipanag. Waiting for champion for intermediate category. Ayun. Ayan, checkered flag. Rayo. Wow. Second, it's Kiram. Ayan. So, magiging champion talaga, Rayo Ipanag. I think it's second, Kiram, and then third, it's Malgapo. Pareho sila ng score. 4-4-4. Ayan. Tie score silang tatlo. Champion si Rayo. So thank you for watching, guys. Please share this video. So thank you.